Clark English Learning Letter Sounds. Say it, sound it, see it. Say it. B, book, b, book. Sound it. B, book. It's a book. B, o, k, book. B, o, k, book. See it. The mother is reading a book with her son. The mother is reading a book with her son. Say it. B, rabbit. B, rabbit. Sound it. B, rabbit. It's a rabbit. R, a, b, I, t, rabbit. R, a, b, I, t, rabbit. See it. The rabbit is eating carrots. The rabbit is eating carrots. See you! See the video description below for a free downloadable worksheet to practice writing this sound. Goodbye!